Hello everyone. In this lecture, we will be learning how to define a function, how to call a function and some function arguments. So let's start. C++ function. A function is a group of statements that together perform a task. Every C++ program has at least one function, that is the main function. A function declaration tells the compiler about the function's name, return type and the parameters. A function definition provides the actual body of the function. You can see some examples like strcat that helps us to concatenate two strings and strcopy helps us to perform copy function. Defining a function. So you can see this is the basic syntax of defining a function. First of all, we will be writing our function name, then the parameters inside the function that we are going to pass, and then the body of the function. So this is the basic syntax of defining a function. Now let's move to code blocks to have a practical. Now we will be writing a program to declare or to find the result of two values so that we get the maximum value, which variable is having the maximum value. So I will be declaring the function integer maximum and I will be passing the arguments that num1 and the integer num2. Okay, now I will be writing integer result. So I have declared a variable integer result. Now I will be writing some decision making statements if num1 is greater than num2. So we will be putting as result is equal to num1 and return type will be result, or else if the number is smaller than num2 then we will be writing the else statement that will be result is equal to num2 and return type will be result. So you can see that we have declared a function having the function name as maximum, which have the parameters of two integers num1 and num2. Now we will be defining in the function integer maximum num1 integer num2. So now we will be writing the main function. I will be declaring three variables: a, which will be having a value of 500, integer b, which will be having a value of 800, and c, which will be storing the value from the function of result. Now I will be calling the function. So how do we call a function? First of all, we have created a variable name as result. So I will be writing results is equal to maximum and I will be passing the variables a comma b. So when I have written maximum, so this variable will be jumping or it will be jumping and or calling this function integer maximum, and it will be taking the values of a and b like integer num1 and integer num2, and it will be calculating the rest of the part. So I will be writing cout the maximum value is, I will be writing as results and okay. Now I will be compiling and running the program. So you can see I got the correct answer. The maximum value is 800. So this is how you define a function or and call a function. Thank you.